The pattern is from 1969. Nice. Today, if you read the title, which I'm sure you did, I'm gonna do a, hopefully, one-day make. We'll see. The other day, I went to my favorite antique mall. Treasure Isles. A treasure in every aisle. So I went and I found stuff and I love it. So let's, my hair's gonna drive me crazy all day. Let's do this. First, I saw this. I have this pattern, which is so cute. What I'm gonna do is make a sleeve, make an armhole, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do it with the belt to see what that looks like. So in this pattern, oh, it smells like old perfume. Oh man. So what they have you do is cut out a square and then you put it into the corner like this and you clip it and you stitch those edges. I already can't figure out why. And when you go to the next step, sorry, this is like extreme close up. I hope you like my face. When you go to the next step, oh God, it's so hard to see. There we go. It has you like iron it back, and then it doesn't tell you how to sew it together. It just literally says, with right sides together, pin front to side front sections, matching small dots. Stitch. We'll see. It is literally step one. So if I can't figure it out, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna go insane. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, yeah, okay, well, toodaloo. Hi, hello, and welcome back. I'm currently wearing my mock-up. I did make one sleeve and I just did one armhole face. I will be salvaging this because I did put a zipper in the back. Here it is. It is long. Yeah, it needs to be like there, maybe. I like the belt. I think it's cute. I'm glad I put it in because I don't think I would have liked it without the belt. I think the belt is really necessary for this particular pattern because otherwise it is just a straight box. Just a reminder. So this is what we're looking at. I did not do this one. I did this one. This one you could just put your own belt loops on there and have your own belt. This one is the one I've made mostly. The neckline also is kind of problematic for me because I do have a really skinny neck. In my opinion, I don't actually know what's normal. It just feels skinny because a lot of times when I make clothes, like, or I just want things to be tighter than they are. You know what I mean? Because like, I feel like this, and I didn't put a hook and eye. If I put a hook and eye, it would even be worse looking and more droopy and big. It's really funny too because when I was first trying the front of the dress on, I thought the neckline was wrong, like super teeny tiny. But as it turns out, I think it's slightly too big. So, and I even removed probably a full inch from this collar while I was sewing it because it didn't fit the dress. But I'm wondering if it's because this fabric is just so weak and flexible that it was just stretching a little bit. And the other thing I want to talk about is the squares here. Can you see this at all? So this is the side that I did the reinforced. I put the square on. I honestly don't understand what's the point of putting that square because you just flip it out of the way. You know what I mean? So it doesn't make any sense to my head why this would be more secure. And then this side, it is laying a little bit nicer, probably because there's less bulk there, I would assume. I'm not sure what my final thoughts are on the seam here and making the fabric or making the skirt shorter by like, oh my gosh, I mean, like a minimum of 7 inches shorter, which is insane, and that I need to cut off all of that much. That is a lot. Especially since the picture in the pattern shows all these women with the skirt well above the knees. The pattern is from 1969. Nice. Calls for a 22-inch zipper, and I'm telling you what, I don't think you need a 22-inch zipper. It's so boxy and big, and the zipper that I'm wearing, like this is, can you see that? This is the space that I have. So this is just my mock-up zipper, which is just a separating zipper that I spilled coffee all over one day, and so it's the official mock-up zipper of my household. Anyways, so yeah. But I do need to put interfacing in the collar, I think. I really like the way that this is with just 2 layers of fabric instead of interfacing though, because sometimes, and I know there is different weight or stiffness of interfacing, but I don't know. Sometimes it's just annoying. I don't know how to describe that. As far as a sleeve hole versus the sleeve, I don't particularly hate this sleeve. I did a really fast job. And again, because it was moving so much, I couldn't get the ease right in this fabric. The sleeve moves the whole dress, where I can move this arm and it's fine, but this, like, I don't know, I can't, like, I feel like I can hear the fabric ripping. Oy. The fit's great. This is a size 16, bust 38, so right now it fits me. Whew. Fragrant. I should wash this. Maybe I should have been washing it. Did you guys ever, my mom taught me this when I was little. This is how you quickly measure roughly a yard of fabric. So I have just under 3 feet. 3 yards according to my nose to arm measurements. I don't know how long that is. So let's do, I'm gonna tilt you down and we'll do it on the floor. Nice. Man. Pardon my immaturity. Thank you. It's like 2.5 yards. Yeah, it's, okay, so 44-inch fabric. Here we go. Please, sir, may I have some more fabric? I don't think I have enough. I'm gonna have to lay the pieces out and see what I can do. I'm not really sure what is achievable at this point. Hi. It is 2:20, which means I have to leave my house in 6 minutes to go get my child from school, and then my whole evening starts, and so I don't know. Once I hit 2 o'clock, I'm just done for the day. This is as far as I've got. I need to stitch this in. I need to stitch tack the hem facing down. I wanted to put some more seams by the zipper, which is just this like really bright orange zipper. I kind of want to hide it. It's the only one I had that was long enough, and I'm pretty sure it's actually from the 70s. So there's that. I really like the way it turned out. I did not do the little square trick that they give you in the instructions, and the pattern is so busy, like you can barely see it anyway. I think the armholes might be too big. I don't know. Oh, see, I like the length that I picked, so it'll hem up a little, but I think it's a cute length. The reason that I made it as short as I did is because I'm 5'3", and so, listen, this is starting to feel a little choky. I didn't alter the size more than I did in the mock-up. I left it the same. This does make my neck look pretty short. Being that I'm 5'3", my neck doesn't ever look long. I'm literally strangling myself with this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to cut something here. Something's not right. It's rubbing on my Joey's apple. What is, okay, well, anyway, toodaloo. Again, I said that already. See you later, alligator. Good morning. Today is the next day. Wow. The next mug I'm featuring today is my other new mug I just got. It's adorable. I'm gonna do a 60s style look. First I'm gonna curl my hair. I have this, it's old. It is 1.5 inches. Probably bought it 10 years ago, I think, maybe more. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just gonna roll my hair back and down. And I'm going to contain everything with a clip. I think these are called alligator clips. And if that's not an alligator clip, I'm wrong. But I also have these baby ones. For the top portion, I'm gonna pull it forward, and then I am gonna just curl it like a normal curl. And I'm gonna hold it here for, I don't know, 15 seconds. Hair tutorials. Not something I should be doing. Okay, so on the top, I always do 2 clips. Just to kind of hold it there while it's curling. I'm gonna go ahead and do literally that for the rest of my hair. But reminds me of those cat videos that everyone's posting right now where the cat's like, guys. It's hilarious. Okay, that's 2. I'll meet you back here later. So now what I'm gonna do is I've got this thing, and I'm gonna tease my hair back. Oh, Jesus. Okay, last one. These are my bangs. Wow, that is a whole entire look right there. Let's do this. No, not that way. That is some serious damn hair. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, well, hair and makeup are done, which means it is time to go put on this dress and show you guys what I got. Hi. Thanks for watching this video, by the way. I'm just being silly and I don't know what to do with myself. So this is what I chose to do today, this week. Anything I would change about this, I think I would prefer it with sleeves. I just didn't have enough fabric to do the sleeves. I really, really like the belt. I think it would be really cute with a different color belt, like maybe a white belt and all white accessories, or something like that, just big white pieces, solid pieces, just because this fabric is so busy. I wish I had shoes for this dress, but I don't. So I don't know, maybe something someday will present itself to me and I will purchase it, but I love the hair. Okay, this is like potentially a style for me, you know? It's a little bit wrong. It's not quite 60s, but it's fine. My makeup's bad. I accept that. So anyway, if you liked this video, you can subscribe to my channel, you know, just, you know, if you want to. Should I put lips on? Stay tuned, I guess, for more silliness. My next big video, I'm really excited for, about it. I will be releasing that information later, and I'm getting all of the supplies for it very soon. They're currently in transit to my location. So yay. Anyway, thank you again, and I hope you have a really great winter, because it's not going great here, you guys. It's just weathering outside today, and I don't like it. But anyway, thank you, and I need like a sign off. I don't have one of those yet, so toodles. Did my husband just run out to get me a soda because I am dressed like this and my hair is all huge and I'm embarrassed? Yes, he did. Okay.